Friends, how are you? You're welcome in your channel Physics Wall. Students, today we solve the NCERT class 12 chapter 9 question 9.5. A small bulb is placed at the bottom of a tank containing water to a depth 80 सेंटीमीटर. स्टूडेंट्स कह रहा है क्वेश्चन में कि एक वाटर टैंक है जिसमें 80 सेंटीमीटर तक वाटर भरा हुआ है. एक स्मॉल बल्ब बॉटम पर रखा हुआ है. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ सरफेस ऑफ ए वाटर थ्रू विच लाइट फ्रॉम द बल्ब कैन इमर्ज आउट. और वो बल्ब कितना एरिया बना रहा होगा वाटर सरफेस पर जिससे लाइट इमर्ज कर रही हो, आपको सीन दिखे. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ वाटर इज गिवन 1.33. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी मेक ए फिगर. लेट 80 सेंटीमीटर and a bulb on a bottom is placed and the rays is emerge out from the bulb. So let students one ray which when it falls on a interface, this is water, this is air. Students, this is air. So it some refraction angle is increases. This is angle of incidence. So students, another side, students, we see that when the angle of incidence is I is increases, then at some condition the then not goes in the window and travel in the surface boundary. So students, here in the case, let then the angle of refraction increases and the light is here. So students, this is area at which the critical angle becomes the critical angle. So students, let us draw in here perpendicular. So this is angle is I is called as critical angle. So this is angle is also is called as critical angle IC, at which the light cannot pass out from water to air. So students, if we measure this angle and also we know the distance this, then also find the value of this distance, and pi r square we find the area. So it is very simple solution. We'll apply the first Snell's law. So Snell's law at critical angle. Snell's law at critical angle of incidence. So first in the water, so water refractive index and W, and angle is incidence, light goes from the water to air. तो साइन IC क्रिटिकल एंगल पर एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस कहाँ जा रही है, एयर में, तो Na स्टूडेंट्स, and angle then becomes as a 90 degree because not goes to air, it travel in on the surface. So the light only in this area you seen, so that we write as 90 degree because the angle this is becomes a 90 degree. So NW sin IC इक्वल टू Na स्टूडेंट्स, एयर का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स क्या होता है 1 एंड साइन 90 आल्सो 1. यू फाइंड एज साइन IC is equal to 1 upon refractive index of water. Refractive index of water is given students, then sin IC is equal to 1 upon 1.33. So you solve that, you find the angle of critical angle sin inverse 0.75 students, then IC is becomes IC is 48.6 degree. So students, this angle you find, then we apply the trigonometry. Apply now, use geometry, very simple geometry. Students, we find this, then we'll apply the tan IC is equal to students, tan IC, this is let students see O and this is point A, then OA students, OA अपॉन, इसको पॉइंट मान लेते हैं बी, दैट इज ओ ए अपॉन ओ बी, ओ ए अपॉन ओ बी. So OA is equal to OB tan IC. OB students, that is water field 80 centimeter. So OA equals to 80 and tan IC. Tan IC students you find at 48.6 degree. So calculate as 80 and tan 48.6 degree, you find the values 1.13. So you find 3.7 centimeter. So students, this is OA is 90.7 centimeter. So area is area from which light rays emerges are seen is pi r square, pi OA square. So students, pi value is 3.14, OA is 90.7 square. So you calculate that, then find the area is 2.58 meter square. So students, this is very simple question. Thank you students.